Welcome back. Today we're going to replace the third brake light on my 2014 Nissan Frontier. This will also work on all Nissan Frontiers 2005 to 2021, I believe, that are equipped with a third brake light. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to pop out these little plastic plugs from the headliner. They are tricky sometimes. There we go. There's one. And two. And now I know it's going to be pretty much impossible to see. However, there is a nut up in there, 10 mil, both sides. Okay, after you remove your plugs, you're gonna have two 8mm bolt nuts on some studs up. Careful with them, don't drop them. Set that right there. Just like that, I dropped it. There it is. Let me go get a... maybe not. There we go. Got it. Sometimes it might drop and you might get a magnet. Now we're going to go to the outside of the vehicle and pull the light out. Grab my bulb here. Twist to remove. And let me get something so I don't touch that directly. See if we can't test that right quick. It is working. All right. Don't have to be excessive on tightening. Just snug them up. And then we're gonna snap our little pops back in. And all done. Hope that helps some of you out. Thanks for watching.